Okay, we're going to look at making curves, joining curves, and augmenting curves. First off, I'll drag a box out. I'll take the direct selection tool, and I need to delete one side. Well, to delete any one curve or linear path, I like to do this, click and drag with a marquee tool and hit delete. If I try to do it with just selecting the edge and hitting delete, it'll delete the whole part. I just said undo there. On the pen tool, I'm just going to click, click, click. I want to join these two curves together to form a piece. Well, I click the first anchor point, hold shift, click the other, and then right click, join. Again, that is click, hold shift to select the other anchor point, right click, join. If I want to get rid of these points, very easy. I can go over here to the delete anchor point and get rid of them. And again, if I need to convert them, let's say I want this to be a tangent curve, I can go like this. If I want it perfectly center, I can click the one anchor point and then click and drag around until I get the green line. This indicates that is in the center, well, in line with the center, and now it becomes a very smooth tangent curve. Anytime I need to maybe collapse a curve, well, I can go over here and select one point and then delete it just like that. Instead of using this to delete it, this one collapses the curve. Then I could take the pen tool and do that. Having too many points sometimes can be cumbersome. Like if this is made of 6 points or whatever, I can get it pretty smooth. There is a tool here. It's under this tool right here, the pencil tool. It's called the smooth tool, which will smooth the pathway. Click and drag. It smooths it by adding points. So now I have 4 points that make up this curve. Sometimes that could be a little bit tiresome and cumbersome to actually get it to look nice. And later on, having so many points becomes, a little bit too intense sometimes. As intense as curves get, I guess, because, curves are kind of boring in the sense of they are curves, and these are just the basics of curves. So that looks a lot better than having 4 points attached to that curve. Alright, so that's just basic stuff about like taking a curve apart, adding new pieces to the curve, changing its direction, all good stuff to know. Now let's go to the next video.